The Adidas Samba and Strata proves that timeless design still wins over flashy experimentation. Instead of bold, hype-driven looks, this release goes back to simplicity with a sand leather base, white stripes, gray suede detail, brown gum soles, and subtle blue branding on the tongue. It's a sneaker built for practicality and everyday use, appealing to those who prefer normcore styling and versatility in their wardrobe. Priced at $110 and offered in extended sizing, it targets both sneaker enthusiasts and casual wearers who want an easy, dependable option. Unlike many trend-heavy versions of the Samba, this model focuses on understated elegance and effortless pairing with outfits. Set to launch soon on Adidas.com, the Strata embodies the perfect blend of function, fashion, and timeless appeal, proving that sometimes the quietest designs make the loudest impact.